All right, today we're gonna bring a golf mat, and this is a great golf mat to take anywhere pretty much. It has 3 separate pieces, if you guys can see, 1, 2, and 3 different types of turfs. All right, you got a rough turf, soft turf, and then of course the putting turf. All right, so they also give you a couple accessories here, ball, kind of tee off. You could go left or right, but the double sized turf, you got to spin it around if you're left or right handed, right? So depending how you go, just make sure that you're aware of this mat, not to have anybody walk around it when you're swinging the set. It actually, when you have a long stick like I do, like 3 or 1, just make sure you have extra space, additional 2 steps. This is great to take anywhere. I was swinging on the front yard, I rolled it up, got in my front yard, now bringing it back to my backyard and setting up our net. You guys can see I'm gonna start swinging here, practicing every night, putting a couple lights here, making sure that we get the right set of light out here so we can start swinging. All right, this is my 3 iron.